Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin in 5 minutes or less. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page. I'm trying to get my followers up. So please go check it out and follow me. And shoot me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos and any suggestions about what type of videos you want me to make in the future. And all you got to do is just go to Instagram and look up @AppGrind, or you can just click on the link in the description below. Alright guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below, because it's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the website. Name of this website is Free Cash. So to get there, just type in freecash.com. So on this website, you're going to make Bitcoin and also PayPal money and gift cards, just doing simple little tasks. Now, I've never talked about this website before. This is brand new, guys. So it says here, the fastest growing website to make money online from anywhere. Withdraw PayPal cash, gift cards, Bitcoin, and skins instantly and for free. Now, as you can see here, the average time until user makes first cash out, 42 minutes. So guys, you can be on here for 42 minutes and you can get paid that quick. And here's the average money earned by users yesterday, $28. So you're going to average $28 on here, guys. And this is the total money earned on free cash, which is over $1,841,000. So that's a lot of money, guys, a lot of money. So people are making some money on here. Now, if you want to get started, all you have to do is just choose a task. Then you're going to complete that task, and then you're going to receive your coins. So once you receive those coins, you'll be able to cash those coins out and get paid. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the frequently asked questions. So how to make money on free cash. So freecash.com works together with companies that want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products. A task could be downloading the app and reach level 5 within 2 days, and you're going to earn 4,000 coins. And check this out, guys. So after you completed a task, you will get coins. 1,000 coins equal $1. And as you can see, from that one task you do, if you download an app or do an offer, you can get 4,000 coins. So that's $4 just that quick. And like I said before, you can cash out through PayPal, gift cards, or Bitcoin. Now, how much money can you really earn on free cash? So right here it says it is easily possible to earn more than $100 per month. And that's on the low end, guys. And some users reach $1,000 a month. That could be you, guys. That could be you. Now let's just look at one more question. So it says here, how long does it take to cash out your money? So right here it says if you request a withdrawal, you will most likely get approved in less than 2 minutes. So guys, once you get enough money to withdraw, you contact live support, you get approved to withdraw that money, get your money that quick, which is within 2 minutes. How about that? All right, guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this website. It's really, straightforward. You're gonna be doing some tasks, and you're gonna get some coins, and you'll be able to cash out and get your Bitcoin or PayPal cash or gift cards, whatever you would like. But if you're on here just want to get Bitcoin, this is the site for you guys. So to get started on this site, go ahead and go to freecash.com and start getting this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing before I go. I do shout outs in every video I drop, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please continue to keep watching my videos, continue to share them if you've been sharing my videos, and keep dropping those comments. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you, really appreciate you guys, and I hope that I brought some value for you guys today. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous day.